Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing fresh polish immediately. Blot the surface with a paper towel so you lift liquid instead of spreading it. Once done, slide cardboard inside the leg to protect the other layer and surrounding fabric. You should test your chosen solvent, acetone or alcohol, on an inside seam because denim dyes can run. If the test passes, apply solvent sparingly with a cotton swab, dabbing outward from the stain edge to avoid enlarging the spot. You now combine solvent action with gentle mechanical removal. Apply small dabs of acetone or 70% isopropyl alcohol, wait a few seconds for the polish to dissolve, then blot with a clean swab. For thicker dried areas, carefully lift softened film with a dull knife edge or credit card. Make sure to keep motion away from the center. Repeat cycles of solvent, wait, and blot, changing cotton frequently so you remove pigment rather than spreading it. You finish by rinsing the treated area under cool water, then launder the jeans on a warm setting using regular detergent to remove residual solvent and polish residue. Make sure to air dry the garment. Heat from a dryer can set any remaining stain permanently. If after drying you still see remnants, repeat the solvent and blot sequence or use a targeted commercial stain remover. Troubleshooting tip: if color fades, stop and take the jeans to a professional cleaner to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.